Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sayyid Zishan Ahmed Shah. I am a student of COMSATS University, Islamabad, WA campus. Topic of my discussion today will be irrigation system of Pakistan. Irrigation system. Irrigation system is a system of supplying water to land by means of artificial canals, ditches, etc. to promote the growth of crops. 72% of the Pakistan's total population is associated with agriculture as their main source of income. Pakistan has an agriculture-based economy. The total geographical area we have is 79.61 million acres, cultivated area is 22.05 million acres, and the total area under irrigation equals 19.02 million acres. More than 50% of the labor force of Pakistan is employed in this agriculture sector. Pakistan possesses the world's largest contiguous irrigation system, which is commonly called the Indus Basin Irrigation System. Irrigation system of Pakistan mainly consists of three major reservoirs, which are Tarbela, Mangla, and Chashma. We also have 9 barrages, which are Firozapur, Guddu, Chashma, Sakhar, etc. This chart shows the water usage of Pakistan. We can see in this picture that almost 69% of the water usage in Pakistan is towards agriculture sector, 23% is towards industry, and 8% is towards the domestic use. Area irrigated by different sources in Pakistan. Canals irrigate 6.36 million acres, tube wells irrigate 3.79 million acres, wells irrigate 0.31 million acres, canal tube wells irrigate almost 7.60 million acres, other sources irrigate almost 0.31 million acres. Total irrigated area equals 18.63 million acres. About 44 million acre-feet water is being pumped by public and private tube wells. Total number of tube wells in Pakistan are: private tube wells equals or are less than 9,50,000, public tube wells equals 1,25,000. On the average, 10,000 tube wells have been added to the system annually. Barrages and headworks. Both barrages and headworks are built on river or watercourses to control water, distributed through canals for irrigation or other purpose of supplying water. The difference between barrages and headworks is that a barrage can serve as a water storage area. Electricity can be produced at a barrage by construction of hydropower plant. Barrages are usually larger than the headworks of irrigation and navigation canals with which they are usually associated. Conveyance and distribution system. The conveyance and distribution system consists of canals transporting the water through the whole irrigation system. Canal structures are required for the control and measurement of the water flow. The flow of irrigation water in the canals must always be under control. For this purpose, canal structures are required. Canals help regulate the flow and deliver the correct amount of water to the different branches of the system and onward to the irrigated fields. Types of canals. There are 4 main types of canals in Pakistan. Perennial canals. These canals flow all the year round and thus they are known as perennial canals. The other type is non-perennial canals. These canals are fed only in particular seasons, especially monsoons. Another type is indentation canals. Indentation canal systems are constructed along the sides of perennial river. As soon as flood in the river reaches a certain level, water starts to flow in the canals and through the fields. The other type is link canal. Link canals are the canals which carry water from the river to canals. Here is the map of major rivers and canals which are located in Pakistan. Field application system. There are many methods of applying water to the field. The simplest one consists of bringing water from the source of supply, such as a well, to each plant with a bucket or a water can. This is very time-consuming method and it involves quite heavy work. However, it can be used successfully to irrigate small plots of land such as vegetable gardens that are in the neighborhood of a water source. More sophisticated methods of water application used in larger irrigation systems include surface irrigation, sprinkler irrigation, and drip irrigation. Surface irrigation. Surface irrigation is the application of water to the fields at ground level. Either the water is flooded through the entire field or the water is directed into furrows or borders. Sprinkler irrigation. With sprinkler irrigation, artificial rainfall is created. The water is led to the field through a pipe system in which the water is under pressure. The spraying is accomplished by using several rotating sprinkler heads or spray nozzles or a single gun type sprinkler. The drip irrigation, also called trickle irrigation, the water is led to the field through a pipe system. On the field, a tube is installed at regular intervals. A hole is made in the tube and equipped with an emitter. The water is supplied slowly, drop by drop, to the plants through these emitters. Drainage system. A drainage system is necessary to remove excess water from the irrigated land. This excess water could be wastewater from irrigation or surface runoff from rainfall. It may also include leakage or seepage water from the distribution system. Excess surface water is removed through shallow open drains. Excess groundwater is removed through deep open drains or underground pipelines. Distribution of water and area. Around 77.4% of the total irrigated area of Pakistan falls in Punjab region, 2.8% of the area falls in KPK region, and 19.8% of the area lie in Sindh and Balochistan. Based on the statistics of the last 10 years, the area irrigated by canals has increased slowly by an aggregate of 6%, but its share in irrigated area has remained constant due to the continuous increase in the number of tube wells, which now irrigate 20% more than 10 years ago. Conclusion. I will conclude my topic by saying that Pakistan has an agriculture-based economy and our economy highly depends upon agriculture. As rainfall conditions in Pakistan are unpredictable, irrigation system is adopted in many areas. Unfortunately, in Pakistan, irrigation system is not so efficient and effective due to lack of government attention and the poor economic situation of Pakistan. Waterlogging and salinity, planned spreading of water, constant flow of water, excessive water loss in canals by absorption, lack of drainage facilities, and poor maintenance. These are the problems we are facing right now. To control these problems, automatic irrigation control system should be constructed and used. The system should be introduced to eliminate the stress of manual irrigation. Effective measures should be taken to improve the irrigation system of Pakistan. Following are the references which I have used in making of the topic. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.